What's up, my babes? It's your girl Chelbe, and I'm back with another video for y'all today. Right now, I am about to be headed to Dallas, Texas for this car show. It's supposed to be like this really big car show in Dallas, or maybe Texas. I don't know what it said. The flyer said something. He said the biggest car show in Dallas or Texas, something like that. I'm about to basically head there, and I'll see y'all when I get there. Peace. Okay, this nice. Got the Ford F350, the white grill. Okay. It's too big though, y'all. I don't know if I'll be able to get in this. Okay. It's nice though. I like the rims on it. Black tail lights. That's definitely nice. Nice touch to it. I feel like everything's just like white. It's the limited version. Okay. And then we got the Ford F250. He said it's rich. It's giving rich. Okay. Okay. Hold up. Wait. Okay. Alright, let's see what else we got. Okay. Another Ford F250. Okay, I like the blue. The blue is nice. Nice touch to the blue. Let me see. Man, I feel like I'm so short compared to these trucks. This is real nice though. Why they be taking their bumpers off though? I don't know. Okay. Got a lower truck. The Racer's Edge. This looks like that truck off of Fast and Furious where Brian used to drive. I wonder if this that. I don't even know. Okay, we got a Mustang 5.0. Okay, I like this truck. There's the GMC right here. The red interior, real nice. Okay, I like this one. Let's look in the inside. What's the inside giving? Okay, got the screen. Okay, got the beat. All right. It's giving. It's nice. I like this one. Goku. Okay, Goku. All right, now I like this truck. What is this called? Like the sparkles? Glitter? I don't know what it's called, but it's nice. It's real nice though. Real nice. Nice truck. I don't know. I probably wouldn't get one, but okay, got two of them. Which one y'all like better? This black or this red? I'm about to like the black. I don't know. Actually. Now this one's nice. I like this blue. It's a nice blue. Oh, I like this truck. Now this is a nice truck right here. It's real nice. I like the color. And everything. I really like this one. DT Customs. Okay, got the Ford Giottos. Okay. The red Ford Giottos. Big Ford Giotto, not the little one. Okay. Dallas lifted trucks. Okay, I like it. Okay. I like how they did that. Green on this side, red on that side. It's real nice. This little bitty truck. It's cute, but it's little. It's nice. Is that thing in there? Okay. It's nice. Okay, so they together. Okay. nice little 4Gs. Okay. It's real nice. Oh, okay. I like the metallic purple. I mean blue. I'm tripping. I'm talking about purple. I don't know. It's just that purple is hitting a little bit different. Got it. This is real nice. What's this? Oh, see, they do bad. I think it's a Tahoe though.